글로벌 인터넷 코리아이 TV를 주관하는 미디어 전문 기업입니다.
SBB Tech, striving to offer the best technology. SBB Tech, a manufacturer of special equipment power transmission gears and driving systems. In the last 30 years, we have risen to become one of the world's best with world-renowned certifications and recognitions, namely the ISO 9001 certificate, ISO Environmental Management 14001 certificate, and InnoBiz Promising Small Medium Exporter certification. SBB Tech, with our 30 years of expertise in precision and polishing technology development, manufactures various ceramic and special material products in different sizes and grades. Our most popular products include silicon nitride balls, silicon carbide balls, zirconium dioxide balls, aluminum oxide balls, tungsten carbide balls, and plastic balls, suitable for our customers' different environments. Moving on to SBB custom order products, while preserving SBB quality. SBB produces custom products according to our customers' needs, including ball casters, peak bolts and nuts. SBB Tech, with its continuing research and development of new technology. We at SBB Tech will persist and continuously strive to become a global manufacturer